It has been brought to our attention that most of you are not taking lunch breaks.
It states in the contract that we don't have to take a lunch break.
Correct. But we will now be checking to see if your vehicles have any food wrappers at the end of the shift, because safety rules state that you cannot be eating and driving because that would be considered distracted driving.
Wait, let's get this straight here. So you're telling me that you're going to be checking our vehicles to see if we have eaten any food by looking for garbage wrappers or food of any kind?
So if you are eating, you must take a lunch break. All you have to do is clock out for lunch, clock back in when you're done with lunch. Whether it's a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you guys can have up to a half hour lunch break plus 2 15-minute period breaks. So Mikey, it has been brought to our attention that you have been eating and driving and not taking a lunch break. So we're going to need to check your vehicle. You're looking quite nervous.
It's hot out. That's the reason I'm sweating.
It's 30 degrees and there's snow on the ground.
I'm hot-blooded. Oh, I just wear a coat because I think it's cool. Yeah, that's it. Because it's cool.
You have a lot of napkins for somebody that doesn't eat while they drive, Mikey. It's looking good.
I told you wouldn't find anything.
Mikey, I'm going to check the back here. Is there anything I should be worried about? I don't see anything. So, wait, what's in this compartment? Is there anything in there I need to worry about? Ugh. Aha! Mikey, we're going to have to go to the supervisor's office with you. You know you can't have all this stuff. I don't even know what you were thinking.
I don't know who put those in there, but it certainly wasn't me. It's a